Okay, this is paper 1, 2016, April. We continue question number 29. We see here 5-digit cards, 0, 2, 4, 5, and 8. They say use the 4 cards to make this statement correct. No card can be used twice. So, according to the options you've got, we know the decimal point like this one, it could say is what? It is 2 over 4. And here you've got what? 0.5. Or you've got another options for the fraction part. You could say is what? You could say 4 over 8 over 8. And the other one is 0.5. So you've got options, this one or 2 over 4. Okay, you choose any one of them, and the answer will be what? 0.5. Let's go to question after question 30. We say here's a polygon on 1 centimeter square. What area of this shape? Actually, what you're trying to do here, you're going to try to count how many parts they could be. Like if you see those two, they could make for you 1 square, so you could count it as 1. This is 2, this is 3. Those two together, you could count them as 1 square, so it's gonna make for you 4. This is 5. This is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 11. This is 12. This is 13. And those two together, you can put them to make for you the 14s. So you'll say the area is equals to 14. They say here is 1 centimeter square. So it's going to be what? It's going to be 14 centimeter square. I want you to pay attention. Sometimes they could ask this question in a very different way a little bit. They could say here is a polygon on 2 centimeter. Instead of 1 centimeter square, they could say here is in 2 centimeter square. Sometimes they trick you with this question. If they say with 2 centimeter square, after you count them 14, then you say 14 multiplied 2, which is going to be 28 centimeter square. But because here's 1 centimeter, you're going to count it as 1 centimeter square, and that's it. Okay?
Times 2 or divide 2?
If they ask you like this polygon, here's a polygon on 2 centimeter square grid, at that time, after you add them all, you need to multiply by 2. So the answer will be 28. But here, because they say it is 1 centimeter, so you don't need to multiply by 2. Okay?
Okay.
Question 31. We said Khalid buys a kilogram of grapes and 2 oranges and a banana. Like here we've got. They say how much is the total cost. If you'd like to find the total cost, we say a kilogram of grape. Like if you see these numbers here, this is 1.68.
You add
And here this is
49
65 cents. And this is 49 cents. You need all of them to be in the same amount. Like if you look here, the answer is given to you in dollar. So you need to change all of them to dollar. This is one is going to be what? Is going to be is $0.65. And this one is going to be $0.49. You need to make sure like you make them dollar because your answer here, they want it in dollar. Then what you do, you need to add them like $1.6 plus, let's say 2 oranges. 1 orange is 0.65. Then the 2 oranges, you need to multiply the 0.65 times 2 to do it. Say 0.65 multiply 2. And that's equals to, so 2 multiply 5 is equal to 0, carry over in the 1, and 2 multiply 6 is equal to 12, plus 1 is 13. You put the 7th point after 2 digits, is going to be 1.30. So you say 1.6 plus 1.30
1.68.
plus, we said a banana, which is 1 banana is going to be 0.49. Then you need to add all of them together. We say we add all of them together. This 1.6 plus 1.3 is going to be is equal to 2.9. Then 2.9 plus 0.49. Okay, you can add them together this way. 1.6, then 1.3. Okay, and this is, you could put 0 here. You can put 0 here because the last one has 2 decimal places, which is 4 and 9. Then you add them. Okay, 0 plus 9, it's a 9. And then 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. 3 and carry over 1. And then you put your decimal point, and this will be 3. So your answer is going to be what? It's going to be $3.39. And remember, all time, like when you have decimal part, you never read it like 39. You read it 39. Or if you like to read it 39, you say 3900 with a TH. They ask you how much change would Khalid get from $10. All what you need, you just do the subtraction.
Subtract.
It is, yes, 10.00 minus 3.39. And then you do the subtraction. When you do subtraction, remember, like you cannot say 0 minus 9, so you need to borrow from this one. This one will be, like you're going to cancel it. This one will be 0. This will be 10. When you take from it 1, it's going to be 9.
And
then this will be 10.
6.
And when you take from it 1, it's going to be also 9.
6 point.
And this will be 10.
6.99.
Yes, then you just do subtraction. Okay?
No,
10
6.91.
minus 9 is going to be equals
Mhm.
what? It's going to be equals 1.
6.61.
And this will be 6. This
6.61.
point, and this will be 6. So your answer will be what? 6.61.
61.
$6.61. Let's go to question now. Let's say the difference in temperature between 2 towns is 6 Celsius. The temperature in one of the towns is 2 Celsius. Write down the possible temperature for the other town. We say the difference between
Can be
it is
8
6 Celsius.
degrees
Yes, either it will be what?
or
It will
negative
be-
4.
Yes, it will be either 8 degrees or 8 Celsius, or it will be -4. Why so? Because when I say difference between them, either is going to be what? It's going to be 2 plus 6. That's give you 8, or it's going to be 2 minus 6, which is giving you -4. So that's how you find the difference between them. Here's a triangle on grid. The triangle is rotated 90 degrees clockwise about the center, about the point O or the center O. Draw the triangle in the new position. Like some people, they use
Tracing paper.
a tracing paper, and some people they use their what's called, they use the rotation without using a tracing. If you would like to do it without tracing paper, we say we need to see, is it clockwise or anti-clockwise? If it is clockwise, we need to go to the left. If clockwise, we need to go to the right. So we said clockwise. Clockwise about O. So this is O, I need to draw this line to be 90 degrees with O, which is I draw this line here, 90 degrees. I make 90 degrees at the center O. So this line will be rotated, will come here. And then you draw the other line, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, is 4 squares, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 squares. And then you join this one here. Okay, this is your rotation. This will be look like this one. This will be the no position for this one because it is being translated clockwise, 90 degrees. Are we clear?
Yes.
Yes. Question number 34. We say Amira has broken her calculator. She knows that 26 multiplied by 15 is equal to 390. Show how she can use this fact to work out 13 multiply 15.
390 divided by 2.
Yes, because here 26 divided 2 is equal to 30. So all what we need to do is what? We divide by 2. Okay, we say 390 divided by 2. And 390 divided 2 is equals to what? We divide it, it's equal to 100 and
65.
is equals to 101.
104. Wait.
100 and
Wait. 195, yes.
yes, 190. Okay, if you would like to do, you can do long division, okay, which is like the 3, 9, 0 divided by 2. Okay, we don't have 3, we have got 2, which is equals to 1. And remember 1, then you put the 9 down. We don't have 19 in table 2, but we have got 18. So 18 divided 2 is equals to 9. And remember 1, you put this 1 down, and then you put this 0 down. It's going to be 10. We've got 10 for sure. And that's equals to 5. So it's equal to 195. So this is the end of this exam. Okay?
Okay.